in the valley of the jolly.
Ho, ho, ho. Wow!
Heard about the jolly green giant.
Potatoes,
He's so big and mean.
artichoke heart,
He stands there laughing with his hands on his hips, and then he hits you with a can of beans. He lives down there in his valley.
Brussels
The
sprouts,
cat stands tall and green.
spinach,
Well, he ain't no prize, and there's no woman his size, and that's why the cat's so mean. One day he left his valley pad. I mean to say, this cat was mad. Now listen around, he wasn't gone long, and then he ran into an Amazon. Well, this changed his whole complexion.
broccoli,
He'd never seen such a beautiful sight.
corn,
Well, she looked at him and he looked at her, and she almost passed out in fright. He looked at her, thought what a dilly. He touched her once, she slapped him silly. This was something he had never sensed. He looked at her as she commenced. Now listen, pal, this ain't no fluke. I can't see going with a big green coop. Well, you've heard about the jolly green giant.
eggplant,
Don't let his troubles cross your mind.
celery
He
stalks,
couldn't get Sally, so he went back to his valley. The cat was colorblind.